wanna know how to find the first non-repeating character in a string in Java? So if you want to find the first character that does not repeat in a string, I got you. So we use nothing but a simple linked hash map to store a character. So this code might seem a little long, but it's really simple and just easy. So I'm just going to explain you in a minute. So we use linked hash map as I say to you right here. So we have created a string that is Swiss, and now linked hash map you can see right here. We have created it. What it does is it stores character counts while preserving order. That's it. We loop through its character and count its frequency as well. So after that, we loop through the map entries and find the first with a count of 1. So we have used 2 for loops right here, and it starts with and if statement. So once that is done, this character becomes your first non-repeater, and this is great for word games or text analysis. So you can just run this code to see how it works, and there you go. Super simple and easy. The first non-repeating character here is double, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.